Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out this acrylic nail system. Professional kit. It smells like a nail salon, so I'm assuming it's legit. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so it smells really strong. Basically, here are a few things. Number one, we have our acrylic powder. They got pink, clear, and white, and it's a nice big bottle too. This is the acrylic powder setting and bond applicator. Little tray there for, you know, to put your powder in, dip, all that stuff. Over here we got our glue. Here we got our cords for our nail file, which is basically this thing right here. And then all sorts of nail heads that you can use. And you can see all the detail over there. Bunch of nails that you can start with, as well as different sizes that you can use. There's like a large, medium, and a small, and then shows you how to use your polishing pen and everything that comes with it. And last but not least, measuring guides. To purchase this kit, go ahead and check out the link below. It's basically everything to get you started on professional nails. If you like product unboxings, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!